Hello guys, this is Bett&win. Welcome back again to my channel. I want to show you these tricks on Zoom Soccer, on how to play, how you can play, how you can use this correct score option to play both team to score, how you can use it to play both team to score. So this is how it works. First of all, if you see here something like 14.50, I see for this side 40 attached to 8, 40 attached to any number here. You see 40 50, 40 50, or you see 20 30, or you see 10 20, or you see 30 40. Any number you see here that match each other from here. Maybe you see it 3 times here, you see 40 here, you see 50 here, and see 60 here. What you do is to play it both team to score. Yes, both team to score, or you play it direct over 1.5. It's really working. This is the new tricks, latest tricks right now. So let me know if I can see another one here. First of all, in case you never subscribe, don't forget to subscribe. And also you can join us on WhatsApp group with the link on the description of this video. You will see a link on the description of this video. You join us on WhatsApp, or you join us through my WhatsApp number, chatting me, I'll add you. WhatsApp number still remain on 07036760527. Match Bett&win. Don't forget WhatsApp number still remain, and we have this thing going on, 2 weeks rollover that is going on. So you can join us to participate on it, but don't forget that it's not free, so that you're not chatting me and ask me it's free. It's not free. But on the group, sometimes I drop free games there, Sporty or Bet Niger and others. So you can join us on WhatsApp. So let me continue with these tricks. Let's see if we can see this particular one. I see this one now. I have 12 here, and here I have 745. So this kind of trees, this kind of numbers, this kind of odd can go for both team to score. Something like this, or this one. Let me go to another league. And don't forget that this is Zoom Soccer. So I'll show you different options you can use here. Let's go to this multi goals first. Let's go to multi goals. This multi goals, you just target this 2 to 6 goals. This one, 2 to 6 goals. Before you book on anyone, make sure you check all to know if there's another place you see this particular odd repeated again. This 1.26 for 2 to 6 goals. Let's check if there's another place they repeat it. If there's another place they repeat it, one of it will play, then one of it will not play. See this one, you see it 1.26. They can even repeat it 3 times or 4 times. So they repeat it 2 times here. So one of it may play, one of it will not play. So before you play something like this, make sure you check all. Then see this one, 1.22. Let's check if there is 1.22. These are the trees you can use for this particular place. 1.22. There is no another 1.22. So that one can play over 1.5. It can play over 1.5. So you go and play it over 1.5. Let's see this 1.35. If it is repeated 2 times, it's repeated, as you can see. One will play, one will not play. This 1.33. Let's check if it's repeated. You can see 1.30. This one is not repeated, so this one can play. So this is how all this thing works. This is much better. Don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification bell. So let me check another option I can use with another leak. Let me open another leak. This one already started. Let me show you another option. Home and away over. This is called home and away over. On this home and away over, your target should be something like this. You see, home and away over 1.5. You see 2.52. Why the under still repeat the 52 again. So something like this, you can use it to play both team to score. You can use it to play both team to score. Something like this, you can see, for example, home over 1.5 has 2.52. While the home under has 1.52. You see, 52 is repeated two places. So what you do here is either you play it over 1.5 or you play it draw or go, or you play it straight go, or you play it over 1.5. These three options can go well on this. Then another one is once you see 3.15 and for over is 1.36. Once you see something like this on the under, you see 3.15. Then over, you see 1.36. You play the over 1.36. It's working perfectly, but make sure on that particular league, it is not repeated two times on this home and away over. Let's check if it's repeated somewhere again. If it repeated somewhere again, you have to leave it because one will play, one will not play. You can see it's not repeated, so that one can play. So see another one again is this 1.26 when under is 1.30. This 0 there works with this 1.26. But if there is no 0, you have to leave it. If there is no 0, you leave it. So this is match a Bett&win. So join us on WhatsApp on the group link posted on the description of this video. You can see the WhatsApp group link. So just join us there or chat me on WhatsApp. I will add you 07036760527. We'll have 2 weeks rollover going on. Then we are also starting sporty rollover with 1.80 odd. So anyone you want to join, you can chat me on WhatsApp or join through the WhatsApp group link. You can chat me and ask any question. Remember, don't forget that the rollover is not for free. The rollover is when you chat me, I'll tell you how it works. So this is match Bett&win. Don't forget to subscribe and also share this video, like and click the notification bell to not miss our next video. All right, thank you for watching.